In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet account and get started. If you're new to Smartsheet and want a simple walkthrough of the sign-up process, this guide will help you get everything set up smoothly from the very beginning. To start, go to the official Smartsheet website in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Sign Up or Start Free Trial. This is usually easy to find near the top of the page. Click that button to begin creating your account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you use an email that you can access, since Smartsheet may send you a verification message before your account is fully activated. It's also a good idea to use the email address you plan to connect with your work or projects, so your account stays organized from the start. After that, fill in your basic account details, such as your name and any other required information on the registration form. Take a moment to check that everything is entered correctly before moving on. Accurate details can make it easier to manage your profile and avoid confusion later. You'll then create a password for your account unless you prefer to use single sign-on. If you're creating a password manually, choose one that is strong and secure, but still memorable for you. In general, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is a good approach. If your organization uses single sign-on, you can select that option instead and follow the prompts to continue with your existing login system. In some cases, Smartsheet may ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your inbox and look for the verification email from Smartsheet. Click the confirmation link inside the message to confirm your account. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder and give it a minute or two in case there's a slight delay. Once verification is complete, return to Smartsheet and log in using the method you selected during sign-up. After logging in, your account will be ready to use and you can begin exploring the platform, creating sheets, and getting familiar with the workspace. That's all it takes to create your Smartsheet account. Follow each part carefully, and you'll be signed up and ready to start using Smartsheet in just a few minutes.